Hey everybody, this is Michelle Wildflower from Nature's Mysteries Apothecary. I'm here with Scott. He was in a lot of pain when he approached our booth, and I'll let you hear from him.
Hi, I'm Scott. I have major back issues for a long time, and I've been walking around this place with my cane and a lot of pain. I tried this salve and it's working right away, so it's super. I've tried all kinds of CBD oils and all kinds of stuff, so this stuff really does work.
Awesome, that's great. Thanks so much. So if you have any pain, come see me or go online at naturesmysteries.com. Thanks.